Good morning and welcome back to North Dakota today. We have been working hard through the commercial break. Bianca, are you ready to
I'm
give
ready
the
to
people
show
a little
off
update?
a little bit of my flag time.
Nice.
Yeah.
So I'll hold this up. So
I've
so you
been
can get these
painting my
sponges.
sponge.
Yeah. That are already sort of flag shaped. Yep. And so you can put some paint on there, and this was just some inexpensive. That's 84 cents.
Oh,
Each one of
wow.
those paints. Yes.
That's not
absolutely.
bad.
No, that's not bad at all.
Let's see your board game.
Yes,
Yeah.
I am slowly
that's
but
so
surely
cute.
coming along.
I like that.
So I have my start up here, and then so far my path is kind of taking a wild turn all the way down here.
Whoa.
Make its way up to the other side of the board.
And so you're putting on some of these stickers.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. And
just to
create a
show the path.
Yep.
And then I was copying John's method of using numbers as my little placements.
So I'll
and
hold up the big one.
yeah,
we
I'll
go.
get to decorating here soon, but
What do you
first
think
I gotta
you
get my
want your
path.
game to be?
Oh, pardon me. This
You
is
know
the big
what?
one
That's
right
the
here.
one thing I haven't thought of yet.
Yeah? No?
I'll get there. I'll get there.
I say don't think, right? Because once you start, it's really hard to stop. You just go and go and go.
That's a good point.
Yep. Once I start thinking, people are like, oh my gosh. I didn't realize, that person considered that much or was
Yeah.
paying attention.
Woohoo.
Yeah. Woohoo.
All right, so we already know you are a very busy guy,
Yeah.
Mr. John.
Yeah,
so
that's
tell
what I
me,
get told.
what do you've got going on this summer when it comes to art and classes? We know you teach in the community.
Yeah, absolutely. For Moorhead Community Education, Unglued as well,
Yes.
working there. And so lots of, camps, lots of, I suppose, workshops too. And very much like this, it's kind of like, okay, what do you already have around the house?
I love
What
that.
can we turn into something else, save you some money? Because that's what we're all trying to do.
Oh, yeah.
Right now. And a lot of people think it's like, I've got to go buy the best if I'm going to work on this project. I have to buy the best. I have to buy the most. And it's like, if you don't have a sort of practice or routine or something like that, an approach, you just spent like $300 and you're not really certain what you're supposed to be doing.
Right.
That could really just make someone, I don't know, about sad or something like that, but
Yeah.
uncomfortable. That'd be a bummer. Right?
Yeah, so it's nice to be able to use and be creative. It's almost part of the creativity is almost finding the things around the house that you already have and making it and turning it into something fun.
Yeah, definitely. And I think that's the most creative thing of all, because it's like all the materials are already around you. Once you have that sort of discipline, or as I had said, approach or method or something like that. Once you start doing that, it's kind of hard to stop. Thinking creatively, being creative and all that. Here we go. Let me put that in the center. There we are. So I just put the clock that I was talking about in the center of the big game.
I
Hold it up
love
like that. There we
that.
go. And so I called it 1, 2, 3 fun.
Yes.
Yep. And so I just put that, and that's from the Dollar Tree, that sort of clock. So it was like $1.50. I put in there stickers, $1.50, all of it. The border is just kind of duct tape that I had found. This board was, I think, about $150, probably
Yeah, I
$175.
used to use them for my science fair projects.
Yeah. Oh, really? What project did you work on as a science fair project?
Electromagnetic bell.
Okay, you're gonna have to tell me about that after once we're done here. Tell me all about that. So again, I got some flashcards, which will be the cards for the game.
Yes.
So flashcards. I got this die, so we could roll that. I don't think we have to go through turn after turn after turn.
No.
Here.
And you
Yeah,
can
exactly.
use game pieces you find around your house.
Yeah, absolutely. And so with this clock, it came with numbers, and so those would be the game pieces.
Tatum's, yours is really
I'm
coming
finishing my
along.
title, guys.
Yeah, okay. And
This
then I
is
also
intense.
found like these eraser sort of creatures.
Oh,
and so I thought these could be
fun.
game pieces for the travel version
Yeah.
of like this game. And so they're little bugs.
I like that.
Little erasers. Yeah.
Tatum's working.
Working
I am.
diligently,
Putting it
right?
I feel like, how do we like mine?
I think
Oh.
it's
I love it.
as a formal sort of critique. Is that what we're doing? Yes.
Like,
it's
should I be
very-
nice or
It's very
honest?
abstract. It's very.
You know what? That's what I was going for.
Yeah, it's representational of like the nation
yes.
itself.
I was
you know,
exactly.
And how messy
and
the
how
nation can-
messy
yes.
and mixed and how we go from certain and like blobs to like uncertainty. That's
Yes. Yes.
It's
Every
going-
day, right?
It's a very Dali approach.
I suppose so, yeah.
If you want my influence.
Okay, that's neat. And so yeah, and so these pieces, these sort of numbers that were on this clock, I could put back into place. There we go. 9.
What is your game called? Now I'm just so curious, Tatum.
Oh, hers. Here.
It's obviously called the best game ever.
The best game ever.
I love
And
it.
I will show
Why
our
didn't I
audience
think of that?
members
The
how
best
this is.
game ever.
That didn't look too good.
Uh-oh.
Well, that's okay.
Uh-oh.
Art is subjective. That's our
Yeah,
favorite
exactly.
line around
Exactly.
here.
Is everything ruined? Is that what it is?
Well, in my head, yes. But
Oh, okay.
Actually,
so you gotta
no.
learn to get over that sort of thing.
We
to
have the
show off.
best game ever.
Yes.
Woo!
I actually made that noise. Don't be be fooled.
Whoa! Whoa, push that. I downloaded an app just for that.
That is perfect.
The big reveal.
Yes.
And of course, now you can have fun, decorate it. You can probably use all sorts of mediums on this board too.
Absolutely.
I mean,
it could
I
be
see
mixed. You know,
you
here, I'll
have
hold
duct
this up
tape
again.
and stickers,
Yeah,
but
stickers.
nothing's
graphite
stopping
or
me from
pencil.
using paint.
You know, yes, paint too. You could put paint on there. You know, dry erase, as I was talking about. These
Yeah.
areas, these larger areas with the stars,
Yeah.
right? You could write names on there. You know,
like
who's
your
playing the
border.
game. Oh, thank you. Yeah, and so I went to Walmart for the duct tape. You know, the color. I thought, you know, I'm going to need a certain type of color, and so I did that. And so, what are you doing? What?
I'm just taking the time.
Put the correct time on there.
Yeah.
And so and so that's basically in the rules. I thought, okay, you start with start, and if you land on a star, that's a challenge, and you answer a challenge kind of question, like how many animals do you see in this card?
Yeah.
You know, and if you land on a number, then you would answer a number sort of question, or go back to start. I think
like
if you
that.
land on 5, you go back to 1, so you have to start the game over again.
You know,
Sort of thing.
to wrap us on up, my question is, how much fun can we have on a JDB segment?
So much fun.
much.
The limit does not exist.
Oh,
The
too much.
limit
Oh.
does not exist. All right,
Well, thanks
final
so
reveal.
much for that. Oh,
You guys at home, don't go anywhere quite yet. We have
Yes.
plenty more in North Dakota today after this short break.